So I'd love to see somebody step right up here today and take that truck home, but I've got to tell you that 220 tickets and probably half, maybe a few more, went away. And those people aren't here today, but they support us just as much as everyone else, and so it's a great thing. I just want to play a little bit. I love old trucks, but I love kids more. I want to buy a $2 bill. Anybody got a $2 bill? Just bear with me, folks. I'm going to give that truck away. Hey, look at that. You got a $2 bill? Hey, want to trade? Want to trade? Here.
Holy popcorn.
Holy popcorn.
Thank you.
And now I'm looking for a $50 coin.
Did you grab it?
And yeah, that's Glenn's granddaughter, and this is my granddaughter, and it's a little bit rigged, but bear with me. Can I have the coin, baby?
I don't think anyone would have seen that.
Okay, that's all for, what's the word LePage uses? And I like Governor LePage too. Nepotism, that's what it is. We're done with that. I'm looking for somebody that's, some young fellow that might be wearing Dad's business hat. Holy cow, look at that, he's got a hat. You keep your hat and you take that home too.
Thank you.
Very well. How about,
Put him in the ball game.
okay,
A kid under a kindergarten.
a kid under a gallon. Yeah, if you want, Adrian. Go ahead and get him. Watch out. I'll show you how every parent does it. Leo! How about Dad wearing his own hat? We must have some business owners got their own hat on. Yeah? Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Anybody else got their own hat on, Marcus? Anybody else got their own hat?
Dad's been working on that truck. Yeah.
I said I was done with nepotism. How about a Freightliner salesman?
I think he sold as many as I have. Very good, thank you.
Is Matt still here?
Nope, I drove him off earlier.
Hey, Rusty's gone too.
Not sure.
Yeah, and a kid with a Massachusetts Truck Show shirt on. What's the shirt say? That's you.
It's you.
Come see him. Hey, look at that. Don't let Dad spend that.
Hey, I got these really cool stickers.
Holy cow, folks. My envelope's almost empty.
Wow.
Okay, let's give a truck away.
Go buy a ticket.
Probably take us all on dinner tonight.
What happening?
This is Bobby Boya. She owns a store here in town, and she's helping us with the food service today. Okay, Bobby drew 089 for the truck. Okay, 089.
What number was it supposed to be?
201 was supposed to be the number. I thought we had this straightened out.
I don't see anything.
This gentleman is here today. Bob, where are you? Bob Belfour. Robert Belfour. Robert and Tracy Belfour. Did you know you had that number? You just want a Mack truck. Thank you. Dale Stanley is right here somewhere. He's the previous owner. Any questions, go to Dale. Because I don't know. I drove in a couple of loops, but there's too many deals there for me.
Yeah, no, he must
Let's give Rob and Tracy Belfour from Gray, Maine. Gray, Maine. Man. Rob drives for Walnut, right? Okay, man.
You need somebody to follow you this week.
I brought him with me. Before you leave, come see me. Thank you.
burying that money? I'll be digging over there.
How dare you?
You are.
Don't, hey.
If you're gonna keep playing, I'm gonna hold on.
That's right, I can.
Want to take him home with you? He's
Okay.
really good kid.
One at a time, but we want two. So just one at a time. What did you get?
47.
Wow, it looks like the people that was in early. Oh, who's gonna do it? And this one is 047. This is for $1,000. E. Davy Allen from West Shore Road, Westport, Maine. Westport Island, Maine. I don't think he's here today. Any of you guys from down on the coast know him? Draw another number.
Son.
That's E. Davies Allen from Westport Island, Maine.
That's okay, you don't have to.
One more. What are you going to buy with all your money? What are you going to buy? Okay, we're going higher, 179.
I bet
Now you
could
can get
talk
like
up into
3 or 4
buying
of them.
that for you.
What's that Walmart? It's only like $12.
Thank you. I love waffle bars.
Here, have a pink.
Ooh, nice.
Okay, guys, this check for $500 is going to John Barber, and John lives in Goldsboro, North Carolina.
You're going to be some surprised when you see his check come in the mail.
So, those are the 3 numbers. Short and sweet, guys, but that's the drawing, and we couldn't have done it without the support of all of you fine folks. And I can't say enough about the support you've given me. I thank you very much.
You know me.
Next year.